Scene anchors let everyone in a room see virtual models in the same position, even on different types of devices. Here's how it works. Let's say I'm reviewing this model with two other people, one using an iPad and one using a Quest headset. I want to make sure both reviewers see the model in the exact same position in the room. So I need two things. One, an anchor in my campfire scene, and two, a marker in my physical environment. First, let's add the anchor. Just go to the scene inspector and click Add Anchor. To put it on the floor, we'll place it on the console, which is the X that marks the scene origin. Click Place Anchor, then just click in the center of the X and click Done. All right, time to print the marker. When you click the Print Marker button, it opens a print window in your browser. The marker needs to be 17 centimeters by 17 centimeters, so that's the default setting. Keep in mind, there are 5 different markers. When you click the Print Marker button in the app, it'll print the marker that's currently selected. So make sure the marker ID in your scene matches your printed marker. Once your virtual anchor and your physical marker are both in place, you're all set. Just open the Campfire project on a headset or iPad and point the camera at the marker. Your scene content will automatically place itself around the anchor, just like that.